Welcome back, fellow travelers. Today, we're embarking on an exhilarating journey through the beautiful country of Spain. Get ready to witness the top 10 amazing places to visit in Spain. Let's dive right in. Number 10, Barcelona. Our adventure begins in the bustling city of Barcelona. Known for its unique architecture, we have the chance to explore the extraordinary Sagrada Familia, designed by the brilliant Antoni Gaudí. And don't miss the vibrant atmosphere of Las Ramblas. Number 9, Seville. Next up, we're heading to the vibrant city of Seville, famous for its flamenco music and stunning Moorish architecture. Be sure to visit the magnificent Alcazar of Seville and marvel at the Giralda Tower. Number 8, Valencia. Our journey takes us to the breathtaking city of Valencia. Here, you can wander through the futuristic city of arts and sciences, enjoy the sandy beaches, and savor the delicious paella, a traditional Spanish dish. Number 7, Granada. Prepare to be captivated by the enchanting city of Granada. Explore the stunning Alhambra, a palace complex nestled amidst lush gardens, and get lost in the labyrinthine streets of the historic Albayacin neighborhood. Number 6, Bilbao. Next on our list is the cultural hub of Bilbao. The Guggenheim Museum is an architectural masterpiece that showcases contemporary art from around the world. And don't forget to sample the mouth-watering pinxos, a Basque culinary delight. Number 5, Madrid. Now, let's head to the heart of Spain, Madrid. This vibrant capital city is home to world-class museums like the Prado Museum, where you can immerse yourself in art and history. Take a stroll through the beautiful Retiro Park or catch a flamenco show for an unforgettable experience. Number 4, Cordoba. In Cordoba, prepare to be mesmerized by the awe-inspiring Mezquita, a breathtaking mosque cathedral that seamlessly blends Islamic and Christian architectural styles. The picturesque streets of the Jewish Quarter are also a must-visit.
Number 3, San Sebastian. Get ready to indulge your taste buds in San Sebastian, a culinary paradise. With its world-renowned Pinxos bars and stunning beaches, it's the perfect place to relax, enjoy the ocean views, and savor some delightful cuisine.
Number 2, Toledo. Transport yourself back in time to the medieval city of Toledo. Explore its narrow cobblestone streets, visit the iconic Toledo Cathedral, and take in the panoramic views from the Alcazar Fortress. The city's rich history will leave you in awe.
Number 1, the Canary Islands.
Finally, we reach our number 1 spot, the captivating Canary Islands.
With its stunning landscapes, pristine beaches, and diverse ecosystems, this archipelago is a true paradise for nature lovers.
From Tenerife's majestic Mount Tide to Gran Canaria's picturesque dunes, each island has its own unique charm.
And there you have it, fellow travelers.
Our countdown of the top 10 amazing places to visit in Spain. From vibrant cities to breathtaking natural wonders, Spain offers a myriad of unforgettable experiences. So grab your passport, pack your bags, and start planning your Spanish adventure today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more travel inspiration.
And as always, keep exploring, keep traveling.